Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, How to Compile a Deposit. To compile a deposit, open the Funds Journal. The shortcut is Control F9. Then choose Deposit Related Functions, then a Simple Deposit Item Report. Next, you'll choose the type of funds you're compiling. In this case, we'll choose checks. When we begin this process, we should have a stack of checks in our hand. These would be the checks the techs have collected from our customers over the last day or perhaps week, depending on how often you do your deposits. It may also include payments that were received over the counter if we do work in shop or sell parts. When we look at the first check in our stack, we can choose to find the check in Service Desk by either the name on the check or the check number. The check number may be more reliable because the name on the check may not be the name on the job. We'll begin by entering the check number. It is possible that multiple checks will be found with the same check number. In this case, compare the dollar amount on the checks to select the correct item for deposit. Hit Enter or right-click on the item you wish to choose. If you find that you have a mistake in your funds journal, you may correct it. For example, this entry is missing a decimal point. Simply click into the item and correct the entry. When finished selecting your items, hit Escape to print the deposit form. The items included in the deposit will now move to the confirmation area of the funds journal. Please note, once an item has been marked as deposited, it cannot be undone. This is a security feature of the funds journal process. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching How to Compile a Deposit.